I want to put it in. And then I'm like, well, I get sued. But this really happened, so I feel like I can't get sued, right? Hey guys, it's Marissa. It's a mess. Welcome to the vlog. So we are week 2 of Vlogmas. If you guys are new here, I'm doing weekly Vlogmas videos. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you click the bell next to it so you get notified when I upload. I am doing a huge giveaway on my Instagram, so I'm gonna have my Instagram right here, and then I'll also have my TikTok here. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. Make sure you guys enter. All you guys have to do is be subscribed to me. Once you enter on my Instagram, you can enter daily, but you can enter an extra time with the secret emoji, which I will put right here. There's gonna be a secret emoji in all 4 Vlogmas videos so that you guys can enter 4 extra additional times. But yeah, make sure you guys enter that giveaway because I'm giving away a bunch of little goodies. Pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Good morning, guys. As you can hear, they're chopping down trees at my apartment. This has been going on for 4 days now. I'm really over it. It's also 8 a.m., which is fine because I'm going to the gym, but like, imagine. Guys, I'm done at the gym. I look a wreck, but it was a good class. I wasn't dying. Anyway, I'm going to now go tanning. I have decided that I'm going to start tanning again. This is so bad. So anyone listening, do not do this. It is so bad for you. I'm not going to be tanning my face. Last year, I did spray tanning, and so the classes I take for working out are heated. And so my spray tans didn't even last like a full week. They would last like a day, and then I would go and you would have drip mark. It was just doesn't work for me, unfortunately. And so for it to last 2 to 3 days and then it looks bad after that, it's like, and it's not even like it's gone, it just looks bad. I shouldn't be doing it, but I'm gonna do it like twice a week for winter because I can't look this pale. Okay guys, I am now home. I've showered. I have just a little bit of makeup on. I have to go to a work meeting, which I totally forgot about until yesterday. So here's the quick fit. We're so comfy because I was not feeling it. I have just a hoodie, this little flannel from Shein, a hat because my hair wasn't having it. This is actually a whole bodysuit, but it's just because I don't have like yoga pant leggings. Sorry, you can see my laundry. And then the pandas. Talk to you guys after. I hope this is like the quickest meeting ever. Okay guys, I just finished my work meeting. The bitch was long, an hour. Good morning. What's actually afternoon. So I just had my first client at the salon. I did have a cancellation today, so I have a pretty annoying little gap, but it's not enough to like go home and come back, so I'm just going to practice a little, just to waste time. One of my favorite ways to practice lash extensions is to make myself my own lashes, so this helps with like making the fans, and I get a new pair of lashes out of it. So I set out and I use little like small lashes that I normally wouldn't wear, normally ones that I already have. And I had them laying right on my vanity and I forgot them. So I just ran to Ulta real quick and got a pair to use because honestly, I don't know what else I would do. And I don't just want to sit there and waste 2 hours doing nothing. Yeah, I normally do like little pairs like this. As you can tell, these are way smaller than something I would normally wear. Yes, I will show you guys the end result after. I don't know if I'll be able to finish them. Okay guys, I just finished my last client and we're gonna go home. I'm gonna get coffee because I need coffee right now.
Thank you. This is on our Starbucks today. What can I get started for you? Absolutely. So I have 1 birthday cake pop. And what else for you today?
And then 3 shots of espresso over ice in a venti cup with 1 pump of white mocha and then the sweet cream cold foam on top.
You got it. 94.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Anyway, guys, I am going home now. I don't know why I need coffee because actually now that I'm thinking about it, I had coffee this morning And so I don't know what I'm so tired for, but I am really tired. But I am hungry, so we're gonna go home and have some snacky pops. Oh, that's why I got the cake pop. Maybe not. I don't know what's going on with my brain right now. Okay, guys. Jesus. Okay, guys. And I had a little snack, and I realized I have all this time, and I don't want to nap because, you know, you take naps and then you wake up and you're more tired. Like, I would only have a time for like maybe an hour and a half nap, and I just know I'm gonna wake up feeling like shit, so we're just not gonna do it. Okay, guys, I just got off work, and I don't know if I should put this in here, so if I bleep the name out, I'm sorry. I'll post it somewhere else, but I'm like, I want to put it in, and then I'm like, well, I get sued, but this really happened, so I feel like I can't get sued, right? Tana, I always say her last name, Mongeau, Mojo, I don't know how you say her last name, came into my work tonight, super random. I've worked there for like 3 months, and I knew that kind of famous people would come in. I mean, I guess she's not like an A-list celebrity, obviously she is kind of famous, but it's just random because I know that she's from Las Vegas, but she obviously doesn't live here. And I saw her and I noticed her first. I feel like nobody noticed her. No, honestly, nobody noticed her all night. I was kind of shocked, but maybe that's just because I love YouTube and I've been on YouTube for years, so I think she's super famous. I don't know. Anyway, I noticed her and I was like, there's no way that's Tana. And then I saw her friend and I was like, oh, there's no way these two girls look like Tana and her friend. I don't remember her friend's name. Anyway, yeah, they were not my table, but the girl whose table it was left, and then I was the one that ended up checking them out. I don't know. I will say it was a big group of people and she paid for everybody, like all her friends. Like, I don't know if they split up the check afterwards, but she did pay. She was super drunk, so I don't know that it was a mistake, but she did not tip at all. Her check was like 300 and something. Oh my god, this car almost got in a wreck. Her check was like 350 and they did not tip. And we have like automated systems, so we do it right there at the table with like your card right in there. And I always click before I give it to the table like the 20% tip in hopes that they don't unclick it, obviously. And so it was pre-clicked to tip 20%, and she literally had to have undid it and tipped nothing. And then I was like, okay, maybe she'll leave cash, you never know. They got up, nothing. Is this real life? I feel like such a hater putting this in here because I genuinely like her. Me and my coworker were gonna ask for a photo afterwards, and we were like, after that, we're like, I don't want a photo. I'm good. I can't get sued for like saying that. I just literally feel like a hater because I genuinely liked her. And she was super nice, super cool. Like, they weren't on like, honestly, her whole group of friends were really nice and cool. Like, nobody was on like weird anything. So I don't know if it really could have possibly been like a drunk mistake. I know in the past I have accidentally over-tipped when I'm drunk and didn't realize until the next day that like when I saw my card and was like, why did I tip 100% of the bill? But like, so maybe there is a slight chance. I'm gonna hope that it was a real accident, but if not, I really am curious, has anyone else ever served her and she's not tipped you? Good morning, guys. The quickest makeup of my life. This is my 10-minute makeup. It's like no foundation. I look tired, but it's okay. I'm going to the salon. I just have one client. I was trying not to work today. Then one of my clients from yesterday, we were talking and she decided she wanted to do a lash lift. And so like I could have booked clients today, but normally I try to book all my clients on the same days if I can. But the fact that I'm doing that, I'm definitely coming home and taking a nap because I do work later tonight as well. Okay guys, I took a nap. I woke up from my nap and I felt so much worse. Anyway, we are leaving early for work right now. I work all night until like 2 a.m. and I need to get Starbucks. So we're going to get Starbucks again. Hey guys, I got my Starbies. But yeah, I will talk to you guys later. I feel like I'm getting sick again and I need to stop it. So I just had my consultation. Sorry I didn't vlog anything earlier. I literally woke up and came straight here. I was only like 2 minutes late, but I'm not late to appointments. So I had my appointment, and this was for, if you watched my last Vlogmas, I had a whole big thing of going to all these consultations, looking for basically, I just went down a whole rabbit hole of like things for cellulite. Doing that, and then I made a consultation for when I go back home, which I'm actually gonna cancel. I'm not gonna go to that. But in doing all of that, I was like, remembered that I had gone to a place out here with my friend to get her lips done, and I saw they have a little consultation room, and they had an advertisement for, it's called Indiba, and I saw these pictures, and I literally took a picture of it because I was like, that is what my cellulite looks like, and it just showed like the cellulite difference, and I was like, that's exactly what I want. Like, no part of me is really like, oh, I need to lose weight on my legs and all this stuff, and like I work out, I'm pretty healthy, not completely like muscle mommy toned, but you know, like I have toned legs, like I literally lift and do strength training. Like I'm not trying to lose weight. That's why when they were like trying to get me to do the cool sculpting, I was like, well, it's not really what I want. I made a consultation, they couldn't get me in for a week, so this whole past week I've been doing research on Indiba, and basically it's just an RF machine, which if you don't know what that is, it's radio frequency. It's almost like a lymphatic massage but stronger, and it's very like, it heats up, and so it's small radio frequent like waves basically move around like the fat cells and everything, and it's almost just like a massage. It's not painful, it's not really invasive. You can do it on the face. People do it to get like a more snatched jawline, or like you can do it for wrinkles, like medical, so like basically medical estheticians can do it, but at med spas you can do it as a esthetician if there's a medical practitioner. I was like, well, what the hell, I'll just do it myself, because you can find radio frequency machines, oh my god, this car, online. Yeah, please honk at him, he was going crazy, for like $300. They go up, they like start at $300 and can go to like $40,000, but like you can find a little nice machine for $300, and one treatment alone is $300. So I already went into that consultation kind of thinking that I was gonna buy the machine and do it myself, because why would I not? Okay guys, so I got home, ate my breakfast. I didn't really do much. I did paint my toes. I've been meaning to do that. They look so cute. I'm not going to show you guys because I feel like that's weird, but they do look really cute. I am going to go to the gym, but I don't know how long we're going to last there. Guys, I just think this looks so funny. Why do I have the girliest looking nail? Minus the Amazon box. But this is pink, pink, pink. Like, period. Do a quick unboxing of everything. I did just get back from the gym. I got my Starbies. Cooking myself breakfast. So it's not really breakfast time anymore. These have been my fave recently. They're the Dave's Killer Bread. These have a lot of protein, so I like having them after I work out in the morning, and it keeps me full like all day. This package is it's for lashes, so it's for work. A little opener. This is from Kiss. This is a PR package. I was not expecting this. I've not tried their false mascara yet, so I'm actually really excited. It's supposed to last like 10 days, so they're kind of like lash extensions. Honestly, I don't know if I think that is safe to have it on your eyes for 10 days. I always would tell people cluster lashes need to come off daily, just like, hi, stink, just like regular lashes, but I might try it just for the heck of it. And it's kind of fun. Actually really excited. The overnighter, so this is what makes them last. The false scare remover. And then, oh my god, there's a bunch. What the hell? All the different, are these different? Yeah. Oh, these ones are spiky. These will be so fun. Excited to try. And this, I have no idea what this is. Is this a mirror? I kind of hope it's a mirror. PR packages feel like Christmas every time. Ooh, I broke it. Is it a mirror? It's a portable, bitch. Does it stand? Yeah, I need this. I go somewhere else then. Wait, whoa, what is going on? How do we, what? Oh, it goes like this. Bitch. Oh, 20 out of 10. Do they sell these regularly? Because I want to buy more. These I ordered over Black Friday. These are my favorite lashes of all time. I don't remember which ones I got. Oh, they sold out of the classics. She said, hey, Gorge, so sorry we've sold out of classes, but we added a few extras of a close alternative. I don't know. To be honest, I couldn't even tell you what I ordered. And they have super cute. Oh, I think she gave me an extra. Or did I order some? I think she gave me extra. On TikTok, I will link all of her information down below. I found her on TikTok about a year ago. Claudia, I'm gonna butcher her name. Claudia Kilsby. Line of lashes. So they look like lash extensions, but they're strips. These look fire. I don't know what these are. Wispy Russians. So you can see they look more like lash extensions. These are the hybrids. These look really cute too. FL2. I think these are the ones that I didn't order and she threw in. Oh, the CK11s, these are cute. These are more fluffy. Mega Volume, these are cute. Oh, these are so cute. I have so many lashes right now. It is sick. All right, guys, and then the last box is Amazon. And this I also bought with all my own money. And to be honest, I don't remember what's in here. Break it. These are little, like the pearl beads, because I need to do my holiday Christmas nails. This is for my car. There's been a lot of car break-ins in Vegas, really everywhere. I keep hearing about it. And yeah, so I just wanted to have something. Also, where I work, where we park our cars is kind of sketch, and it freaks me out that my car is gonna get stolen or towed or something. So this, I don't know if this would actually stop it from getting towed, but it'll stop it from getting stolen. And I'm like, even if it's not the best, I feel like if you're I don't know, because I'm not a car burglar, but I feel like if you were looking to steal someone's cars and there's like 15 cars in a row, you're not going to pick the one that has a bright thing making it so you can't, like, harder to steal. You know what I mean? So yeah, you just put it supposedly on your little steering wheel, and then this part goes on the dash, and then you lock it and your steering wheel can't move. Yeah, I just freak out about everything, so that makes me feel a little more safe. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this whole vlog. If you did, make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you are following me on all my social medias, and make sure you're following my Instagram and enter my giveaway, and go comment the little secret emoji. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next Vlogmas video. Peace out.